Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to Northern Country Creations. Sorry, my phone is shaking just a tiny bit. Okay, so I wanted to share with you the finished project of my recycled journals. So they are made from a gift box, a lid from the gift box. There are so many beautiful gift boxes out there, and these all happen to be from like last year that I saved. So when I got out my Christmas stuff this year, I thought, you know what? These are beautiful tops. Why not make them into a junk journal and recycle them? So in the other video, I showed kind of how I did it. And so then today I will show you the finished version. So I just think these are so great. Really, I could put these in an envelope and send these out to families and friends, and they can journal in there. So, write their Christmas list and do whatever. So real quick, I will show you. So I made some little tags. Here's the vintage recipe. And most all the cards in here are recycled Christmas cards from last year, and I rounded the edges and cut it to size. So yeah, and so then these are all thrifted, recycled, no longer wanted items. They're all brand new, but I got them from like yard sales or thrift stores, whatnot. And so and then in the middle, I put a beautiful book page from like a Better Homes and Gardens Christmas thing. And then you can just continue on, and there's many stationaries and papers to look at. And so, and then the back, here's some more cards, and here's a little card here. So just all kinds of fun things. They're all pretty similar. So this is the gift box. All I did was basically cut it to size, scored it to fold it in half, and then I lined it with scrap paper or scrapbooking paper on the insides, and then put a pocket. And so that's how easy that was. This one I did a staple. So I have a far reach stapler, and it looks like one of these. It's a far reach stapler, so you can get your book all the way in there to staple. So I tried it two ways. I did, the sewing, the pamphlet stitch in these, and then I did some of them with the staple. And so, they're both, they lay flat, and so either way, I mean, they both work either way, whatever you'd want to do. So, yeah, just kind of real fun. These are just so beautiful. I just thought they are fantastic. So, yeah. So, yep, these are just simple. Each one has the same paper in it. And then the middle, of course, has a different one. And I put little adornments in there. And you know what? You can jazz up more, and you can put tags on here, and you can stamp more. Here's a blue one with kind of like just a fun snowflake. I just kind of kept the theme inside. There's the middle page. Here's another snow. This is just a greeting card with the snowman on the front. And then, so yeah, they're all just beautiful. And so this one kind of has a corner pocket. Here's the middle. Here's the back. This one I did a belly band with this one. Here's one like this. Again, I put a little recipe there. Here's the middle. Here's the back. Here's some just little cutouts. Another greeting card. Here's another one. This one's really cute. I like this one. I put a little pocket on the back and a little journaling card spot there. This one's really cute. I like this one's kind of my favorite, I guess. And then here's the middle. Isn't that beautiful? And then here's the back. I love that. Isn't that cool? So, yeah. So why not? Why not make, recycle your gift boxes I know there's lots of videos for gift bags, but why not gift boxes? I just thought they were so cool. They were so easy to make, so fun. You know, there was no need to do, you know, like distressing and all that because I wanted to keep it all, you know, like modern-ish, you know, and they will just be so fun to, you know, send out in the mail. And yeah, so I just thought I would share that with you, and on to my next project. So real quick, I just wanted to share that, and so hopefully everyone is doing well and you enjoy my videos, and please subscribe and share if you will, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.